In this video, we're talking chest. Let's go through 3 exercises to target the upper, middle, and lower chest. Stay tuned. You don't need a gym to get in the best shape of your life. I'd like to start off with some sort of cardio, like step-ups with a knee raise. Next up are push-ups, and for this, you'll get down on all fours. Extend your legs out behind you and keep your arms about shoulder width apart, and push up, keeping your back flat and touching your nose. Next, we'll target the upper chest and do dive bomber push-ups. It works your whole upper body. Get in the push-up position. Lift your butt up. And next, we'll target the lower chest with some sort of push-down motion, like incline push-ups, which I demonstrate here. And make sure to touch your chest to the bench. I know chest day is a lot of your favorite day, but my favorite day is like that. I don't want to make assumptions though, so let me know what your favorite exercise day is in the comments. You can do multiple sets of each of those exercises, or you can combine them into a superset, but do it in a circuit fashion. And if you got any value out of this video, please smash that like button and subscribe to the channel for more fitness, nutrition advice, and just to stay updated on my personal life. Live longer, be better, and life to your years.